Okay, folks, now we want to go into WP Recipe Maker and we want to discover how users are actually using the recipe collections, and we also want to edit the recipe collection for one of our users. Say that someone had a problem with one of the meal plans that we gave them for a week. There could be an ingredient that they're allergic to in it or something, or maybe they even need extra advice about some of the methods or something in the recipe. And this is where the notes feature will come in really useful here, because we can't actually edit the recipe in the card because it would affect all the recipes. So the notes feature, I think, is the best way to do this. So to get into the user recipe collections, we go over to manage, we go up to features, and we go up to user collections there, and we have the names of the few people that are using the recipe collections here on my test site, their email address, the amount of collections they have, items in inbox, and then items in collections. So I'm logged in as Jonathan Power here, ironexposed@gmail.com. So we can see here that I have two collections, which would be first one there and 5-day starter plan, and you can see that I have 5 items in each one. So that's there, items in collection, and the total is 10. So in the favorites, I just want to check something, that if I do that, I want to, you see, I've one item now in favorites. I wonder, will that show up in items in inbox? And it does, yeah. You see, I changed the name of the default box to favorites from inbox, and that's why the names are different. I just changed it. But I wanted now, okay, so say hypothetically that Mary Moran said that she's allergic to milk or something in one of these recipes. So we want to see, she has 7 different collections and only 3 items. So there they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so only 3 items, 1, 2, 3, that's it over there. And no, you can see here that inbox is still called inbox. And if you, oh, I'm editing, can I edit the name for, I wonder, I can actually, yeah, but that's all I did there. I changed it to, yeah, so change name, FAVOURIT, yeah, FAVOURITES. That's it there. So that's it, that's done. But I want to show you how we can put a note on a recipe. So we're in the homemade hummus now with olive oil, and say that they're on a plant-based oil-free diet, and so I just had to pause the video there just to check the recipe card, and you can see that I've added the notes section here. So this is really useful. As I said, that Mary's after sending us in an email to say that she doesn't like olive oil in her hummus. So we're just going to put a note here. Instead of using olive oil, use extra tahini and lemon juice, something like that. So okay, so I just want to check that that is still there, the note. Yeah, instead of using olive oil, use extra tahini and lemon juice. So folks, that should work. That's it. So that's what I'm showing you there. We can go into WP Recipe Maker and see how many users we have for the recipe box, and to see if they're actually using it, you know. So that's why you want to be emailing people each week and build a connection with them and remind them that you have new recipes each week that they can add to the recipe box. So that's it, folks. See you in the next video.